Hi, my name is Tammy Schmidt. I'm an experiential herbalist and nature therapy guide. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about rest corners and how to make your rest corner more naturey. So if you haven't heard, rest corners are a bit of a trend right now. A rest corner is a place in your home where you can go and rest and relax. It's all about cozy. So oftentimes people will be putting like a lot of nice textiles, where they can take a nap, maybe a nap during the day, where maybe you will read some of your favorite books. Maybe there's a window right nearby where you can look outside and kind of like let your imagination um, just go for a bit and just relax. And it's really great that this is a trend because people are catching on to the fact that relaxation is an important part of everyone's day, that we all need to relax a little bit every day to be really healthy mentally and physically. Just think about it. You can be powering through, right, your work, and you can just be like pushing yourself, but you're really, really tired. And all you need is like a teeny tiny little nap, and then you're ready to go again. Imagine if you had a rest corner where you can just rest for a little bit, not all day, but maybe like 6 or 7 minutes, and then you're recharged and you're feeling better and you're ready to face everything. You're ready to face the people in your life, the projects in your life, everything. Sometimes a little rest will also give you clarity, so that's really nice too. But I'm really talking about the important elements to include in a rest spot. So here we go. So, just as a baseline, like I mentioned before, you want a nice, comfy place where you can sit. So, here I am, here in my chair. I have a couch right next to me, too, that's great for naps. I've got nice cushions and blankets and that kind of thing. So, I have like all the textile materials kind of set up so I can just relax. It's a quiet part of the home, not a lot of traffic here. It's a place where you can just kind of like seclude yourself for a little bit and just find that calm. Yeah. So, like I mentioned before, a window is really great. There's soft lighting. It's nice to have a side table or some place to put like a cup of warm tea. A warm beverage is really nice. And yeah, so these are kind of like the essentials of a rest corner. You'll probably have books and that kind of thing too, or maybe journaling materials. That's a really good idea. And so these are just some of the ways that people are decorating their rest corners. But today I'm talking more about nature and how to bring nature into your rest corner. Interestingly, nature therapy guides and people into nature therapy have been talking about rest corners for a long time, but they don't call them rest corners, they call them sit spots. And a sit spot is someplace where you can sit and relax and connect with nature. So this might be a sit spot might be somewhere close to your home or attached to your home, such as a balcony. And generally there'll be something of nature in view. So a nice big tree or maybe some plants. I think I said plants, some flowers, that kind of thing. So a sit spot is really something that's super convenient and easy to get to and with some elements of nature. So when I heard about the rest corners, I was thinking, hey, this is a great idea. It's very similar to a sit spot. So here we are, two ideas merging. So the easiest way and the first thing that you can do to make your rest corner more naturey is to add a plant. Plants are lovely. Plants are beings, right? So you can appreciate a plant for the form of the plant, right, and how it adds like a nice natural touch to your living space. But also it's a being, so you can sense its plant being energy, and you can wish it well. You can send it good wishes and intentions. So you can greet your plants and say nice things to your plants. Why not? So it's a good way to add a little bit of nature to your rest corner, and they are totally into you taking care of yourself and resting too. I haven't really, yeah. Anyway, that's just my joke, but I think it could be true. So yeah, another way to add more nature to your rest corner is to add seasonal elements. So right here I have a pumpkin because we are in September and the pumpkins are being harvested and everything from the garden. So I have a nice little pumpkin here in my rest corner. But it could be, seasonally, it could be fresh flowers. In the wintertime, maybe like some branches, that kind of thing. I mean, you can be super creative and make it all your own. These can be things that you pick up, maybe some fallen branches and that kind of thing, or from your nature connections outside. So it's nice to bring in a little bit of nature indoors from around your home and what's surrounding your home. So it's really great. Artwork. Artwork is really nice. It's nice to be able to sit down and to look at some artwork that inspires you and reminds you of nature. Specific to whether you live in a very intense space, such as like in the city, where there's a lot of sirens or you can hear a lot of vehicle noise and people walking outside your home. It can be really nice to have a sound machine, or you can even use your phone and play calming music, maybe music that even has nature incorporated into it. And in that way, you're adding to the soundscape within your home, which kind of muffles or silences or makes it less obvious the noises going on outside of your home. And that can be a really, really nice way to add a little bit of the sounds of nature into your home. One way to add the scent of nature to your home is to add essential oils. So you can have essential oils, in a diffuser, and it's just nice because you get not only like the pleasant scent of the plants, but also the medicinal benefits of the plants in your home. Something that I like, and I think a lot of gardeners like this too. In the wintertime, we are poring over books. We want to see books and we want to see green and we want to see more plants. So, if you're a gardener or a nature lover, you are going to want to see, you want books like this in your rest corners because it's just a great way to connect with nature and imagine yourself in these beautiful spaces. So this is a nice thing to do too, nice thing to have as well. So I hope that this has helped. If you have created your own rest corner in your home, talk about it. Let us know what it's all about. You can leave a comment in the comments and share with us how you enjoy your rest spot and how you are making your rest spot more naturey. So I wish you a good night and thanks a lot. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.